Hey, what's going on? Matthew Tamer here. Listen, I hope that you're having a wonderful, magnificent, and an incredible day. I get a lot of emails from companies that want me to create training courses for their softwares, and I don't always accept those, because I have to believe in the brand. Well, today I'm excited to let you know that I just formed a new sponsorship/partnership with a new company called ThemeXpert. They create awesome extensions and softwares for Joomla and other things as well. So I am going to be creating a brand new course for the extension Quix Page Builder that is going to be available on Udemy, on YouTube and other platforms. And this course is going to be absolutely free. It is going to teach you how to be able to create basic to complex websites with their page builder. So make sure you stay connected. In this course, it is going to be very simple. It's designed for beginners. So if you're looking to get into web design, this is going to be a great course for you to get started with. So stay tuned.